Going to see some awesome power right about now, aren't we?
This is it right here. The pilots for today's demonstrations are Major Peter Lewick and Captain Todd Stinchfield. The Loadmaster is Staff Sergeant Randy Sizemore. This crew has a combined total of over 9,000 flying hours in various aircraft, including the C-17 you see here, the C-9 Nightingale, the T-1 Jayhawk, and the T-37 Tweet.
Now, this isn't the biggest airplane the Air Force has, is it?
No, it's not. This is number 2 in size, but I like to think it's number 1 overall.
Well, there's a reason for that. If you go back in time, ladies and gentlemen, to the 1950s, when the C-130 Hercules was first introduced, it had incredible short field capabilities. Then came some other aircraft, and then the biggest aircraft in the Air Force inventory, the C-5 Galaxy, one of which is on display here at the show.
Both pilot stations and advanced cargo handling system, allowing it to operate with a crew half the size of current aircraft. Only 3 crew members are required to fly the C-17. Notice how quiet the C-17 is while passing the show center. This gives the Globemaster a tactical advantage while flying low over hostile territory.
So how fast, now you fly this airplane, right?
Yes, I do.
About how fast are you going right now?
He's probably about 140 would be my guess. 140 knots indicated.
And this is called aerodynamically dirty, right?
Yes, this would be the dirty configuration. Flaps, slats, and gear fully extended.
Now I'm looking at those wings on the edge of the wings. Those wings give us an idea of what they're tall. You could. Almost regulation. That would be right. The aircraft was now performing a rollout. This demonstrates its ability to pick apart an airfield where enemy resistance is suspected. Its compartment is transfer them all The aircraft was first introduced in 1991. It was designed, was built by McDonnell